Today we're going to learn how to find the content of toolkits so that we can then place them into our course shells. First, you need to be in your course shell. In this instance, I'm using my sandbox or practice learning space, and I've created a couple modules in the table of contents, and I want to add the geometry toolkit to this geometry module. So I click on the module within which I want to add the toolkit, click on the New button, navigate to Add Object from the LOR, Learning Object Repository, click, and then I am presented with a search window. In this case, I'm going to search for the Geometry Toolkit, and there it is. Just a little hint that whenever you use the word toolkit, your search is automatically narrowed to content that relates to a toolkit. Nothing else, just a toolkit. So I would maybe use this in most of my searches, the word toolkit. So if I want to add this learning object then to my course, I click on the radio button, and you'll notice that there is also a brief description of the contents of this toolkit. In this case, the toolkit covers finding the perimeter and area of polygons and circles. I click the next button, and by default, and I would recommend using this, the dynamic link to the newest version. By doing this, it ensures that you have the most updated version of the toolkit in your course content. Click the next button. This icon indicates that you are adding a lesson. All toolkits are lessons, and by default it's difficult to preview the lesson, so you need to create the topic. And there's the link then to my geometry toolkit. That's located in my geometry module. To preview the toolkit, simply click on the link. The toolkit will then appear on your screen. And in this particular instance, we're not going to go through the toolkit. That's not the purpose of this training. So I'm going to navigate back to my course shell. And if for some reason we decided we didn't want to use this toolkit, click on the drop-down arrow and delete topic. You can remove the topic from content but keep the files, or you can permanently delete it. I usually permanently delete it if I'm not going to use it. And the topic has been deleted successfully. So there it is. That's how you find the toolkit content in the Learning Object Repository and how you add them to your courses. Thank you.